It's snowing like crazy, almost 5 inches right now in Chicago, and the roads are really bad. You barely can see anything. You guys can see from the camera. It's visibility is really low. Just drive safe out there. Keep the distance because it's not good. It's gonna be an interesting morning commute, that's for sure. So drive safe, everybody out there, and stay warm. Okay, baby, there we go. Now let's stop. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'm gonna make it over here, but we got it. Okay, beautiful. Crazy winter this year. I mean, Wednesday temperature is gonna go minus 5 degrees or 10 degrees, so it's gonna be awful with this snow. It's gonna be interesting, that's for sure. Wild winter in Chicago. Everyone, it's snow everywhere. It's still snowing, actually. It's still snowing. It barely can stop. Okay, everyone, drive safe out there. You see the roads are bad, really bad. Stay warm and drive safe while winter in Chicago.